So very warm and a pleasant good morning to all my lovely students of class 6. Today is your test day where you have to first study the subject and predicate along with the noun. This is a revision and I request all the students to mute themselves. Parpal, mute yourself. Okay. And your test begins now. I'm sharing the question paper.
Ma'am, we have to share our PDF into the WhatsApp test.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the class group or you in your number private?
I'm on your number.
Class group.
Okay, ma'am.
For your help, I have given the definition too. So you can see that a noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells the action the subject does. It starts with a verb. So this was for your help box, right? So what is a noun? For that is also written that what is subject? Subject tells who or what the sentence is about. Predicate tells the action that the subject does. It starts with a verb. Okay, so this was a hint for you all. Was a help chart for you all, as because after many days we are going to solve the exercise. And I have also solved one example for you all. You can see that example here on the screen. Underline the subject once and the predicate twice.
Then we have to write question also. We have to write questions also.
Yes, beta. Why you know? Because this is your test now. So this will help you out for your in your future. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just sharing the hint for you all. This is a hint to recapitulate what I have taught you all. Second, I am showing you example and the question is underline the subject once and the predicate twice. Am I clear? Subject once, predicate twice. Okay, the example has been shown on the screen. You can see that. So your time starts now. I'll show you how many are there. We have 10 questions. First you write down 5 along with the question. First write down the question. For writing question, I will be giving you total 3 minutes time. You have to be very fast.
First, we have to write all questions.
Write the heading of the question, underline the subject once and the predicate twice. Circle the noun or nouns in the subject. This is the complete question. First you write this question.
Mama started.
Very good, very good, very good.
Mama started.
Go on, don't stop. The first sentence is the two boys quickly walked to class. Second, David and John took their bike to the repair store. Third, Sharon and I played on the swings. Fourth, the men and women went out on a fun date. The boy threw the ball towards home plate. So for this writing question, I will wait for 1 more minute.
मैम
Yes.
मैम एक में दो वो है वो है तो मैम इसमें एक ही लगाना है ना.
Yes, beta, I can't hear you.
मैम एक में दो प्रेडिकेट है.
एक साथ
Those are
Ma'am,
predicated. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
It's a do the
Ma'am, in the sentence we are having predicate, so we have to underline two lines in the one word.
हाँ, अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट वन, सब्जेक्ट को आपको एक बार सिंगल अंडरलाइन करना है, प्रेडिकेट को दो बार लाइन करना है.
Ma'am, I am not drawing the line from scale, so it will rough.
हाँ हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. Done, children?
Ma'am, only 5 is left.
No, ma'am, not done.
Vanshika beta, you have to be very fast. You are in 5th class now. You can't be so slow.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Ma'am, 5 is done. Till 5 is done.
Sixth statement is everyone in the crowd cheered loudly. The the players on the team supported each other. I walked while I was in the market. The family took a vacation in their van. The boy worked on his computer. So these were the 10 questions related to the first paper. Similarly, you have one more test paper. That also I will float first, and then I will give you time to write down.
Ma'am, I have completed questions.
Start solving then. In the meanwhile, I am waiting. Start solving. Those who have completed writing.
I have done 6th with full answer.
Good, na? Very good, very good. But I will give you only 1 more minute time, beta. Write down the questions first. Because I have to show you the other, one more question paper. All are writing the questions? Those who have completed writing the question, they can write. I will just wait for 1 more minute, then I will show you the next paper. Done, children? Shall I show you the next paper?
No, ma'am, only 2 left.
No, ma'am.
Last minute, huh? Last.
Ma'am, done.
Those who have done, they start solving then. And so, write the answers with pencil so that you can rub it afterwards if it is wrong.
Ma'am, hold.
Done? Is it done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, very much.
This is the next one.
मैम कंटिन्यू में लिख ले.
No. Change it.
Ma'am, we have to change the page.
Yes. No. Change the page. Write in a new page.
Okay, ma'am.
We have again 10 questions.
Ma'am, what is the question of the second sample paper?
Ma'am,
Question is the same.
question completed.
Copy the question. Written the question? You all have written the question, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Beta, I can't give you so much time. Huh? We have to solve also. In this period only. Yep.
मैम थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करो ना.
Yes?
मैम
Completed.
Ma'am,
Not
like
completed till question number 4.
the dog. Yes. Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Yes, start writing.
Ma'am, question में underline. Ma'am, question underline कर सकते हैं.
Karo. Do it. Do it fast. But write it down. The first one is, he walked to the store. Stacy and Sushant hit the volleyball over the net. Michael shot the basketball at the hoop. The dog wagged its tail. Fifth, the zebra looked over the fence. Sixth, everyone was happy to see the clown. Seventh, the players jumped up and down.
Stacy.
You have to be
Stacy.
fast.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Stacy?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Stacy?
What is the meaning of?
Ma'am, second question, first word.
Stacy and Sushan are the name of two-person children.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम इधर बहुत इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम है.
I can't help you. Write questions, beta.
Ma'am, there is internet problem. मैम इधर थोड़ा आप अटक रहे हो, बार-बार रिकनेक्टिंग दिखा रहा है.
Can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Write it down.
Ma'am,
fast.
visible.
Ma'am, please show the ninth one.
Beta, we have only 15 minutes left. We have to solve both the exercises in this period itself. Actually, I thought we will solve also, we will discuss also. But you are taking too much time.
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, please show the 10.
Yes, I will give you only 2 minutes time more to complete this, then I will stop the screen sharing. Sharp at 11:06, I will stop.
मैम my word
Ma'am, my
completed.
first exercise with question completed and second exercise all the questions I have completed and
Those who have completed
मैम completed. मैम completed.
solving. Those who have completed writing the questions, I request those students to start solving.
Ma'am, I have done whole questions with answer.
Wait.
Ma'am, only one question left.
Vanshika, fast.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay. So now I'm actually stopping now, right? So your time exceeds till 11:10. I will wait for the answers. Then we will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Switch on your cameras, Arihan, Arya and Deshna, Hardik, Harsh, Nimisha, Pratik. Cameras on. Keep your cameras on. Nimisha, Ruby, Pratik, Harsh, Hardik, Arihan, Tanmeta. Do it fast. Think twice and do it. Sonu, I can't see you. I can see only the fan and the ceiling. Molly Chopra also, I can't see her. Now I can see. Or else I'm seeing the fan. Deshna, Harsh, Pratik, Arihan, Tanmeta, I will not accept their papers.
Ma'am, both
Videos
the
on.
both the two exercises completed with the questions.
Good. Those have completed. Wait for 2-3 minutes. Sharp at 11:10, we will start discussing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, now can I make the PDF?
Yes, sure. You can.
Ma'am, can I send it by 1 o'clock?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, can I also? Ma'am, can I also send up to 1 o'clock?
Done. 2 minutes left. Last 2 minutes left, children. One minute. Aryan Duggar is not in our class, I think so. Because he is neither switching on the video nor the mic. Hardik also does. Acha. Hardik is not also doing the same thing. Harsh, I can't see him. Over?
Yes, ma'am, done.
All have completed? All the students in the class, they have completed their work. Shall we start discussing?
No, ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
Vanshika, always late. Do it fast. You have to increase your speed. Tomorrow I will do one listening skill activity in the class. I will read out the paragraph. Okay, you have to write. Listen to me and write. Listening skill activity, and on that particular paragraph I will ask questions. This will be the listening skill activity. Those who are there, those who are not attending my class, ask them to attend because tomorrow we will be having listening skill activity.
Ma'am, it is of book or anything.
I can read out
Ma'am.
anything. I can read out anything. You can read out any pattern.
Ma'am, I have sent you the PDF.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Shall we start discussing now? Only 8 minutes left, beta. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Shall we?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Chalo. The first exercise. The two boys, what you have to do? You have to underline the subject, single line, and double up the line of your predicate part. Noun or nouns in the subject. In the subject, you have to circle the noun. In the first exercise, similarly in the second exercise, you have to circle this noun in the predicate part. Fine. And remember, children, predicate always starts with a verb, if I am not wrong. Yes? Now be very careful before answering me. The two boys quickly walked to class. I repeat the question. बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. The two boys
Can I?
quickly walked to class. Who will answer me? First of all, raise your hand. Kumar Pal. Kumar Pal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First of all, tell me the subject.
Subject is the two boys.
Good.
Noun is boys
Okay, good.
quickly walk to class is predicate.
Very good. Next one.
Yes, ma'am. David and John took their bike to the repair store. Yes, ma'am. David and John is subject.
Yes.
David and John is noun
Very good.
and took their bike to the repair store.
Done. Very good. Third.
Third, yes, ma'am. Sharon and I is subject. Played Sharon and I is subject.
Noun.
Noun, yes, ma'am. Sharon.
Sharon and I.
Sharon.
Is a subject also. Sharon and I.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Both are noun also. Next.
Yes, ma'am. And I played on the swings predicate.
Acha, can you tell me what is the verb over here in the predicate part? I just now said na the verb.
Played.
Very good, children. Beta, all of you listen very carefully. The predicate, the hint for the predicate is it starts with the verb. Always remember, in a sentence we have basically two parts, subject and the predicate. The subject has two parts. We have to recognize the noun in it, and the predicate starts with a verb. Always remember. Okay? Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Can I continue?
This exercise, discuss this exercise, and tomorrow we will discuss the second one. Only 3 minutes left. Kumar Bal, you continue, please.
The man and woman subject, man and woman noun went out on a fun date is predicate.
Good. Next.
Yes, ma'am. It's got. Yes. The boy threw the ball towards home plate. The boy is subject and noun. Threw the ball towards home plate. Ma'am, what?
Crew is the verb also, na? Yes. Next.
Yes. Everyone in the crowd cheered loudly. I think this sentence my wrong, but I can try it.
Try.
Everyone in the crowd is subject.
Good. Cheer
Everyone and crowd is noun,
Collective.
and cheered loudly is predicate.
Perfect answer. Good. Very good. 7.
The players is subject and players is noun. On the team supported each other is predicate.
Perfect answer. Very good job. Next.
I walked. Ma'am, I is noun. I walked is.
My dear, I is the subject also.
Yes, ma'am. I walked and I is a subject.
No. Only I is the subject. I is the noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Walked while I
Walked by
market.
was.
Predicate.
Yes, ma'am. It's predicate.
Good.
Ma'am, scroll down, please. The family is noun and subject. Took a vacation in their van. It's predicate. The boy is subject and noun. Worked on his computer is predicate and worked is verb.
Good. So we today I end my class here only. We will discuss tomorrow the second exercise. All of you send the PDF by 1 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Thank you. Good job. Well done.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. We will meet tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.